Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. The NERIS dashboard provides a comprehensive overview. From next port details and in-progress menus to activities not completed and favorite recipes, NERIS ensures a seamless and organized catering experience. This is the Vessel and Mission tab, where you will find vital details about your vessel. Quickly access essential vessel information, including itinerary, budget, the number of crew on board, alcohol policy details, and reporting preferences, whether monthly or per trip. Stay in the loop with the next arrival port, ensuring you are well prepared to acquire the best provisions ahead. In the Cookbook tab, you will find the menu scheduled for the day. Explore various menu templates tailored to different nationalities and occasions and use these templates to simplify the purchase of provisions. Effortlessly plan and schedule your menu using different templates for a specific period. In the Archive panel, you will find the different tabs regarding the tasks that you have completed and submitted to your captain, such as Requisition, Purchase Order, Delivery Note, Supplier Feedback, and Reports. The human icon is the User Profile button, allowing you to manage settings like your username and email. It also includes the Log Out button that you will occasionally use for secure sign-out. And finally, this new button will allow you to create different tasks, as you can see in the drop-down list. This section displays the scheduled menu for the period indicated. This part contains all the drafts that you created but have not yet submitted to the captain. This section displays the recipes that you frequently use. The rightmost panel displays the vessel name, budget information with accompanying graphs illustrating your performance in managing provisions, and the date of your last provision requisition. Thank you for exploring NERIS catering management software. The user-friendly interface allows effortless navigation through various features, whether you're scheduling menus, managing drafts, or exploring favorite recipes. NERIS is designed to cater to your every need, enhancing your catering management experience with efficiency and ease in every task.